Welcome to the Morgan Properties video series, Site Safety Program, Critical Safety Rules. At Morgan Properties, we strive to provide a safe and healthy environment for all our employees, residents, and their guests. We have implemented these critical safety rules to keep our employees safe. Lifting an appliance alone is strictly prohibited. When moving an appliance, 2 persons must be available. Lifting best practices for all other activities must be followed. The use of PPE is required at all times. All office and maintenance employees must wear sturdy shoes with non-slip soles. Employees must wear snow spikes supplied by Morgan Properties while winter storm conditions exist. Lockout-tagout procedures must be followed at all times, whether electrical, mechanical, or stored energy. Chemical use best practices also must be followed at all times. What is personal protective equipment, or PPE? Safety goggles or glasses should be worn anytime there is a chance of particles or chemicals reaching the eye. Earplugs or earmuffs should be worn anytime you are working where there are above normal noises. There are different types of gloves designed for specific uses. Disposable gloves should be used to protect yourself from contaminants and biohazards. Leather gloves should be used to prevent abrasion. Specialty gloves should be worn when specified, such as those designed for using drain cleaning equipment. Dust masks should be used for respiratory contaminants. Respirators should not be used. If you feel that the use of a respirator is necessary, you should contact your regional manager. Hard hats are to be worn where there is a possibility of falling objects from above. It is necessary that you understand the use of personal protective equipment. If you have any questions or don't understand how or when to use any type of PPE, you should contact your supervisor. How should an appliance be moved? Never move an appliance alone. Always have somebody available to help. Make sure the lip of the dolly is securely under the appliance, and the strap is securely wrapped around the midpoint of the appliance tightly. For refrigerators, make sure the freezer door is secure so that it doesn't swing open. Have a good grip on the dolly handles. Place your foot at the base of the dolly and slowly lean back, tilting the appliance. Once you have reached your stopping point, get the unit as close as possible to the final destination. Slowly lower the unit down using a shimmy motion to make your final adjustments. When moving an appliance, use caution to ensure that the area is clear, in particular on a staircase. Never allow a resident to assist you with moving an appliance. Lifting best practices, the mechanics of a safe lift. Face the object to be lifted. Get close and straddle the load with your feet. Bend at the knees, not at the waist. Get a good grip. Look straight ahead. Push off with your legs. Keep the load close to your body. Don't twist. Pivot if you have to change direction. Watch where you're going and make sure you have a clear path of travel. What is lockout-tagout? Lockout-tagout is a procedure that you perform to de-energize equipment and stop anyone else from unknowingly applying energy or operating a device while you are working on it. This not only applies to electrical energy, but also mechanical energy. Where devices are shut off or valves are closed, a lock and tag should be installed so they cannot be opened up or turned on by anyone other than you. When working with gas appliances, it is necessary to make sure that gas cannot accidentally leak from any appliance that you are working on. What are the best practices for working with chemicals? Make sure all containers are labeled properly with the manufacturer's name. Know where the safety data sheets are located and what PPE is required for using that chemical. Never mix chemicals. Flammables must be properly stored in an approved cabinet. Fire cabinets can only be located in an area free of other combustibles. Compressed gas tanks need to be firmly secured. It is recommended that these procedures and training on equipment are incorporated into monthly staff meetings. All new employees must understand how to correctly handle incidents and receive monthly reminders on these instructions. Thank you for your time and attention. Should you have any questions, please reach out to your supervisor.